Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and here is a question of the day. I'm working on running the SDS page electrophoresis and already prepared all the gel recipes, but I have bromophenol powder and I should prepare 0.05% bromophenol solution. How to do calculations? If concentration units are not specified when given a percent, it is usually volume per volume for liquids and grams per milliliters for dissolved solids. In our case, 0.05% would equal to 0.05 grams per 100 milliliters. What if you need the same concentration, but you need 1 liter? 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So, as you see, we increased this part 10 times. That means that we also have to increase part on the left also 10 times. So, we are going to get 0.5 grams. But as you see, concentration is going to be the same as we see here. If we increased volume 10 times here, then we have to increase grams also 10 times here. But what if we need not 100 milliliters of this concentration, but let's say 20 milliliters? In this case, our calculations would be as follows: 0.05 grams divided by 100 milliliters times 20 milliliters. And we are going to get 0.01, and this is going to be grams. One more time, we have found if we need 20 milliliters of the stock solution of the 0.05% concentration, we have to take 0.01 gram of the, in our case, this is going to be bromophenol powder, which we measure in grams. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.